Grade 7. Hope so you all are fine. Grade 7, today we are going to do work on email. That I will tell you how to compose a email, what are the websites that give a service of an email account. First thing that I will show you is there are three websites that provide us email account or email service. First is the Gmail, www.gmail.com, and then here is the Outlook account. Its other name is also hotmail.com, www.hotmail.com, and the other one is the yahoo.com. Clear? When we enter here the address www.yahoo.com, then this website will be open, and in the same way, if we enter here outlook.com or hotmail.com, then this website will be open, and we can sign in from here. If we have account on Microsoft or account on Outlook, we can sign in from here, and if we have Yahoo account, then we can sign in from here. You can see this, here is written sign in. We can sign in from here. Now I will tell you that how to compose an email, how to write an email. I have opened our school email address. When you write www.gmail.com, then you will open by writing the email address. You will open this. Like, see, if I write here in the address bar www.gmail.com, and when I enter, this window will be open. When we write here www.gmail.com, and by clicking this sign in, we can sign into our account, Gmail account. So here this window will appear. Here we will write our email, our school email, like TMS Ravi Campus then we write @ of gmail.com. This @ we write for the you can say for the website name that is providing us email. If we are having Gmail account, we will write here Gmail. If we are having Hotmail account, we will write here Hotmail, and if we are having Yahoo account, so we will write here Yahoo. Clear? And when we press next, then we have to give password, and then our email will be open. So this window will be open for our email account. This email account is open now, and here we can compose. Compose means we can write a new email. If we want to send any email to any person, then we can write here. Here is written to. For to, we will write the email address of a person to whom we are going to send email. Like I am typing here TMS Ravi Campus, so it is written here, the Mount Sinai, you can see. Okay, then here we can write any subject. Like if I want to write here that grade 7 lecture, so I will write here grade 7 lecture. Clear? And here on at the bottom you can see here are some icons here. With these we can add different things into the email. Like this is the icon of attach file. If we click it, then we can add any audio, video, picture, or anything from our laptop or our mobile, from where we are going to add the we are going to send the email account. Clear? In this way we can attach here anything, and then we can send the email. Then email is sent, and if we open our inbox, you can see here is the email that I have sent. Okay, This is the email that I have sent from my account to my account. In this way you can send your email to any other account. You see that this is very quick process. It does not, we don't have to pay any money or charges for sending this email. Within seconds we send an email to other account. Okay, now for today you have to do reading of page number 86 to page number 89. Clear? This all reading you have to do very carefully, and you keep it in mind the things that I show you in our lecture, so this will be easy for you to do the reading. Okay, have a great day dear students. Allah Hafiz.